Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss new model question paper in Maths 1B. Okay, in 2021. See here in Mathematics paper 1B, paper 1B, new model paper. So they will give three sections A, B, C. So I'm going to discuss first section A. There is no changes in section A. They will give 10 questions. We need to write all. We need to attempt all. 10 into 20, 10 into 2, 20 marks. Each question carries 2 marks. Okay. If you want to get 75 means you need to attempt all the questions. Okay. Now see, first two questions, straight lines. Third and fourth, 3D geometry. Fifth and sixth, limits. 7, 8, differentiation. Ninth one, approximation. Approximation. And one more 10th question is missing here. Yeah, 10th question, see, tangent and normals. Overall 10 questions they will give. We need to attempt 10. 10 twos are 20. Next, I'm going to section B. That means this is short answer type questions. So here they will give 10 questions. We need to attempt only 5 questions. 5 into 4, 20 marks. Here they will give 10 questions. We need to attempt only 5. Remaining 5 are choice. So here 50% choice is there. Okay. Easily you can attempt out of 10, 5 questions. See, 11th and 12th. These are two questions in locus. Locus is small chapter and very easy chapter. So easily you can attempt 2 questions. Okay. Next, 13 and 14. These are transformation of axis. 2 questions given. This is also small chapter. You can attempt easily 2 questions. Okay. 15, 16, observe that. 15th one, straight line related problem. Okay. And 16th one, 3D geometry. 3D geometry, very easy chapter. Next, 17th one, limits. 18th one, differentiation, first principle related problem. First principle. Compulsory, they will give one question by using first principle in differentiation. 19th question, see, this is 19th and 20th question. Both are tangents normal related. Tangent normals on chapter is there. They are giving 2 questions, 2 4-mark questions. Okay. Overall, 10 questions they will give. We need to attempt only 5. That means 50% choice is there. Next, go to section C. This is we know very well. Here also same like that. They will give 10 questions. We need to attempt 5 questions. These are long answer questions, LAQ. 5 into 7, 35 marks. Each question carries 7 marks. Okay. Here they will give 10 questions. You need to attempt only 5. Remaining 5 choice. Here also 50% choices. Now 21. This is straight line related problem. 23. 20. There is 22 here. Yes. This is 22. 22 also straight line related problem. 21, 22 both are straight line related. 23 and 24, those are pair of straight lines related, 2 long answers. And 25, direction, cosines and ratios. 26th, 27. These two are differentiation related problems. And 28 to 29, see that tangent normals related. And 30 is 30 maximum minimum related problem. Maximum minimum related problem. Okay. So in long answer, they will give 10 questions. You need to attempt only 5. Remaining 5 are choice. 50% choice is not. Okay. Now see that chapter wise weightage. Pair of straight lines. 2 long answers. 7 and 7, 14. Straight lines. 2 long answers. 1 4 mark, 2 2 marks. 22 marks. 22 marks. And 3D geometry. This is a very small chapter. They are giving 1 long answer, 1 4 mark, 2 2 marks, 15 marks. Easily you will get 15 marks here, because 3D geometry is very easy chapter. Differentiation. 2 long answer, 1 4 mark, 2 2 marks. Totally 22 marks. Tangent normals. 2 long answer, 2 4 marks, 1 2 mark question. Here observe that. Straight lines 22, differentiation 22, tangent normals 22, 24. Only these 3 chapter weightage how much? 68 marks. 68 marks. Easyga more than 55 తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఆ 3 chapters correct గా prepare. Okay. And maximum minimum. Only 1 long answer. Locus. 2 4 mark questions. Transformation of x's. 2 4 mark questions. These 2 very easy chapters. And limits. Limits. 4 2 2. Total 8 marks. Errors and approximation. This is also very small chapter. They are giving you only 1 2 mark question. Okay. Overall, see maths 1B paper, maximum mark 75. LAQ 7 mark questions. They will give 10. Attempt any 5. SAQ 4 mark questions. They will give 10. Attempt any 5. But VSCIQ 2 mark questions. They will give 10. Attempt all. Here there is no choice. Okay. This is as per new model paper given by intermediate board. Okay. Right. Thank you.